If you are not a fan of tofu, then this recipe will probably change your mind. In less than 6 to 7 minutes, you can make something so very delicious. And you can serve this as an appetizer or as a side. Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Bhumbi. And today it is all about making tofu taste delicious in a super quick way. Coming to the tofu, here is what I do. The tofu that I buy comes submerged in water, so I drain all that water, give a quick rinse under fresh tap water. After that, I put a weight on top, like here I am using a chana dal baggie, and leave it in a colander for about half an hour so that we can get rid of any excess water. Then cut the tofu into thick pieces. And guys, as you can see, I'm trying my best to make thinner pieces, but please don't do that because chances are that they will break and you will end up getting scrambled tofu. In the meantime, let's make a masala paste. I used 1 heaped tablespoon of plain unflavored yogurt. My vegan friends, you can use any plant-based unflavored yogurt or a tablespoon of thick coconut cream along with just a few drops of lemon juice, or you can even use thick tomato paste. Next comes the spices. 2 teaspoons of my homemade curry powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. If you are using store-bought curry powder, it may already have chili powder in it, so please add less of chili powder in that case, or just leave it out, or add some paprika. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of garam masala powder, salt to taste, 1/4 of a teaspoon of sugar or any sweetener of your choice, or you may leave it out. Finally, I added about 1.5 teaspoons of blanched almond flour. You can also use gram flour or cornstarch in place of almond flour. We also need about 1 teaspoon of oil. Mix everything very well and you will be getting this thick masala paste. You can also use 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, but I chose to keep everything simple and easy today. Next in goes the tofu. Now guys, the tofu is very soft and the paste is very thick. So if you try using a spoon here to mix everything, then you will end up getting a pishy-pashy tofu that will get all mashy-dashy. Take each piece of tofu and apply the paste all around. And guys, please be gentle because you are not dealing with stones here. As you can see, each piece of tofu has a coating of this masala love. Okay, frying time. Always use a wide non-stick pan for this. A tablespoon of oil. You do not have to wait till the oil turns too hot. Add the tofu when the oil is just little warm, because if you add the tofu in very hot oil, the masala will burn and you will end up having fried bitter tofu. So all that masala love in the beginning that you showed will end up being so bitter. Nope, you can't let that happen. So add them in warm oil and fry them on medium-low heat. Start checking from 2 to 3 minutes mark. As soon as you see it turning little golden brown, turn each one gently and fry them for 2 to 3 minutes on the other side. And there goes the consequences of making the tofu too thin. So now you know what to do. We need a golden brown color on both the sides. So we are looking for this kind of a situation. And it's done. That easy, but extremely delicious. You can serve it with some onions and a sprinkle of coriander leaves. You can also sprinkle just a few drops of lemon juice on top for that freshness. Each piece of tofu has this masala crusty top with a hint of sourness from the yogurt, and that sprinkle of sugar brings everything together. Please smash that like button for me, and I will see you in the next episode. Bye bye.